Spraying Maker Pro metallic paints. Maker Pro paints are industrial-grade, professional paints developed for rigorous applications requiring a metallic appearance and outdoor durability. The first part of our project is going to be lightly sanding the smooth cast onyx frame. I'm using a 320 grit sanding pad for this. This will create some tooth for the Maker Pro paint to adhere to. Using a microfiber cloth, I will then clean off any dust from sanding. It's important to remove the dust and dirt from sanding, as this could cause the Maker Pro paints to not bond. The frame is then hung in a spray booth so that I can apply the Gold Maker Pro paint using a spray gun. I'm going to transfer some of the adhesion promoter to the spray gun hopper. A light coating of adhesion promoter is then applied to the frame. The adhesion promoter is applied to any area that will be painted. It will ensure a durable bond of the paint to the smooth cast onyx casting. Once I have a thorough coating, I'm going to let the adhesion promoter dry for 30 minutes before applying the metallic paint. Maker Pro paints are water-based, UV resistant, and have no VOCs. They are ASTM E84 Class A flame rated and offer excellent adhesion and scratch resistance. It's time to paint the frames. I am going to pre-mix the paint and then pour some into the hopper of the spray gun that I am using. I am going to apply a thin layer of paint. I want to be sure to keep my spray gun moving and make sure to not let any paint build up in any areas. I'm looking to make sure to achieve a very thorough coating on the entire frame. We have found that the metallic paints do not need to be thinned with this spray gun. The spray gun that I am using has a 1.4 millimeter tip and it is set to 30 psi. If you find you need to thin the paints with the spray gun you are using, directions can be found on the technical bulletin. I'm very happy how the paint is covering the frame and is not building up or reducing the details. Once I am happy with the coverage, I'm going to allow the Maker Pro metallic paint to dry for 30 minutes at room temperature. A second coat of metallic paint is applied just as we did the first coat. I want to ensure a thorough, even coating of paint. Additional coats can be applied as desired. The paint is again allowed to dry for 30 minutes at room temperature before it is handled. After the paint is dry, I'm going to move the frame to an area where we can allow the Maker Pro paints to fully dry for 48 hours so it can achieve its maximum physical properties. There are 3 other colors available in the Maker Pro metallic line: copper, silver, and white. After 48 hours, we can mount pictures in the frame and then display the frames and photos. You can easily and quickly achieve different metallic appearances at a fraction of the cost of real metal using the Maker Pro metallic paints. As you can see, all 4 colors look just like real metal. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know if you have any suggestions for future videos. We'll see you in the next one.